Activating a contactless Barclays credit card is a straightforward process that allows you to make payments with a simple tap of your card. To get started, first ensure your Barclays credit card has the contactless symbol on it, which looks like 4 concentric circles. If your card is contactless enabled, you can activate the feature by following these steps. Begin by calling the number on the back of your card or visiting the Barclays website to log into your online banking account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the card management section and look for the option to activate contactless payments. You may need to confirm your identity and provide some security information to complete the activation process. Alternatively, you can visit a Barclays branch in person and ask a staff member to assist you with activating your contactless credit card. Once your contactless feature is activated, you can start using your card to make payments at participating retailers. To make a contactless payment, simply tap your card on the payment terminal and wait for the confirmation. You can use your contactless credit card to make payments of up to £30 without needing to enter your PIN. For payments over £30, you will need to use your PIN as an added security measure. It is essential to keep your credit card and PIN safe to prevent unauthorized transactions. By following these simple steps, you can activate your contactless Barclays credit card and enjoy the convenience of fast and secure payments.